to the Woodpecker Ranch. Welcome to the Woodpecker Ranch.
Oh, by the way, it's King Week. So, who's gonna be the king now? I was like the king last year, so we're changing plans. So, who's gonna be the king now? It's gonna be me.
No, it's totally gonna be me, obviously.
Bro, Fiona, be quiet. You don't know how to be a king.
And you don't know how to eat food right. Period. I clock your tea.
You did not clock my tea. Make that make sense, bro. Guys, stop fighting. I vote Parker to be the king.
Can we vote for ourselves?
No, you dummy. Somebody has to vote for you, not pick yourself.
Was I'm asking you?
If you wasn't asking me, why are you talking to me right now then? Make that make sense, Fiona.
Be quiet.
Be quiet. You can't even say quiet right. I don't even know what you're talking about.
Can you pretty please do me this one favor and be quiet? Cause I know that breath is gonna make me lose to be the queen.
I think it's actually that mozzarella stick hair of you that's gonna make you lose of being queen. What? I'm just giving you advice. Guys, stop fighting. This is the reason why we're in a friends group. Penny, just let them argue. Bro, Danny, you seriously need to be quiet because all you're trying to hear is some drama. I'm trying to stop this. Like, we're in a friends group for a reason. Bro, that's why you freaking got Minnie Mouse hair. And that's why you freaking got all those holes in that shirt. I know you can't be talking. Yeah, because I was wearing this while I was homeless. Goofy. Well, put on a different shirt, you goofy. You know, that's actually me. I'm going to just go to my room instead. Yes, please go to your room. Nobody wants to see you with that ugly odd face. I got to do on some research of what's happening right now. Gotta type on my computer. Yep. Doing some research. Know what I'm doing. So first, Penny was talking all about me. It's all true. I'm gonna keep typing that. Just keep typing it. I'm gonna type and type. I'm gonna type more. Let me type more. Got it. Got everything. Yup. Do some more research. Parker and Fiona are fighting. Yup, that's my research. Doing everything as possible as I can. Going what I'm doing. Let me keep typing on my computer. Yep. Keep typing. Wait, I finally figure out who's gonna be the queen. Or king. Let me go back out there in the living room. Let me try to see what's happening now. Guys, I figure out who is going to be the royalty. It is going to be Fiona. But her name will now be called Queen Fiona. Yeah.
So, so, anyways, I'm gonna tell the wolves. Everybody has to do my chores with me. Everybody do not have to talk back to me. Everybody has to order food for me. Everybody got it? Now start doing those dishes.
Man, this has gone out of hand. We need to stop Queen Fiona now. Like right now. By the way, guys, we have an announcement to make. So first, we are going to be selling like these crowns for like queens and all that other stuff. By the way, these crowns are gonna cost like $5. Yep, I think that's the right price. So here's the price right here. That's it. By the way, you can get them at like our store. You be always getting this commercial, and you know why I appear here. It's just because these sponsorings and weird questions. So yeah, bye guys. Fiona.
What?
There's something I have to tell you. It's like, can you stop being the queen?
No, absolutely not. I will be queen forever. I will go for my journey. I will keep being the queen forever and ever. It will never stop. I will probably be the queen for like 2 years. Yep, it's also true though.
Wait, what? I thought you were just gonna right away say yes. But actually, you instead to say like, You wanted to be queen for like 3 years. You can't do that. You can only be like queen for 1 year, Goofy.
You know, actually, I should stop being queen. I boss everybody around. Actually, I'ma just take this crown off. I'm sorry, Parker.
It's okay. Now that you're back to normal. Yay, Fiona. You came back.
That hairline didn't come back, though.
Bro, why does everybody keep roasting me? Because it's funny, you doofus, you little doofus. Bro, please be quiet, Penny.
Guys, let's not have an argument anymore. Nobody has to be the queen or king, 'cause nobody likes me boss around. How about that?
That actually sounds good, Fiona. Thank you.
Oh, yes. I'm always full of ideas.